Ma Long is a Chinese table tennis player. He was born on October 20, 1988 in Anshan, China. He is the son of Ma Yujun. Since 2014, he has been the captain of the Chinese national table tennis men's team. Ma Long married his girlfriend Xia Lu, a local of Nanjing. On 10 October 2017, Ma disclosed the birth of his son on Sina Weibo. Ma won runner-up in the 2020 World Cup, losing to Fan Zhendong in the finals. In the semi-finals, Ma was trailing 3-1 against Harimoto before he called a timeout in Game 5 and switched to a high toss serve that Harimoto had trouble reading. As a result, Ma was able to come back for a 4-3 victory. However, Ma closed this year by winning for Fan Zhendong 4-1 in the finals of ITTF World Tour Finals, extending his record to the 6th title in the event. Commonly regarded as the greatest table tennis player of all time, he is the first male player to complete a career double Grand Slam as the Olympic gold medalist in men's singles in 2016 and 2020. At the 2020 Summer Olympics, Ma beat compatriot Fan Zhendong 4-2 in the final, making him the first player in history to win consecutive gold medals in the men's singles event. During the 2020 Summer Olympics, he also became the first male table tennis player to have won 5 Olympic gold medals after beating Timo Boll 3-1, maintaining China's 100% win rate for the men's teams event. He held the rating of number 1 for a total of 64 months, the most by any male in the history of table tennis. He is also champion in World Championships in men's singles in 2015, 2017 and 2019. His records led the International Table Tennis Federation to nickname him as the Dictator and the Dragon. At the Japan Open 2018, he was defeated by 6 games by rising Japanese star Tomokazu Harimoto, and although he won the doubles title with Zuzin at the Bulgaria Open in August, he lost to Liam Pitchford in the men's singles round of 32. Ma began 2017 by winning the Qatar Open in February for the second year in a row, defeating Fan Zhendong 4-1 in the final. In June 2017, Ma won the Japan Open in Tokyo, beating Zhu in 6 games and Fan in 5 on his way to the title. This was the first time he won in Japan, meaning he has won at every major station on the ITTF World Tour. Ma is also famously uses a backhand chop block relatively frequently. He is very quick on his feet, making it very difficult to get him out of position and allowing him to track down balls and recover from situations that most other players could not. Ma is also the most prominent employer of the chop block on the Chinese national team. After winning both the Asian and World Junior Championships, Ma became the youngest world champion at the age of 17 after he participated in the 2006 Bremen World Team Championships. At the beginning of his career, his play strategy was primarily forehand-oriented, dominating play with powerful forehand loops and using his backhand only for controlled returns to set up his forehand. He still plays a forehand-oriented style, but as his career has progressed, his backhand has become more consistent, stable and powerful. Compared to when he was younger, he is much more confident using his backhand to attack the defender. By winning the gold medal in Rio, Ma etched himself a place as an immortal figure in table tennis history.